Excuse me, Oslo. Ooh, look at all that. Gotta be careful where Slick Rick there will try to slap out the gate. I thought we weren't gonna do them over here anymore. I thought we were gonna do them over there. Remember?
I mean, does it matter if it's in the dirt? Does it really matter? I'm gonna do it over here today.
Okay.
So I don't feel like moving. That would be great, thank you.
Do what?
I said you could help me a little bit. That would be great.
Oh, sorry. Look at that. Look at that die right now. Oh yeah. What you think, Oslo? I'm just glad some people were hanging out with me outside today. They always just stand on the porch. They actually came in the yard this time. We're getting there. What you think, bud? What you think? What you think? What you think, Oslo? Alright, to the inside. Yeah, we're done outside, Oslo. Sorry.
I think this thing will be fine. We just need to scrub it every time.
Scrub it down real good. We'll probably start putting something over it just to be safe. I wanted to paint it anyways, you know, so we're gonna get there.
I don't know if I'm going to wash this one with it because it has black in it.
Yeah.
I don't want the black to muddle up.
Do all the others and then do this one separate.
I don't know.
I think we probably could wash them all together, but just to be safe.
I want to take a chance.
Yeah. We're gonna start doing all pastels at one time, like where we can wash them all at one time. This has mostly been our test that we've been filming, so we're about to ramp up production, and when we do, we're gonna start washing 20 shirts at a time. That one looks pretty good, man. Look at that.
I like the black in it.
I do too. Let's see. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Whopper over. Oh yeah. Nice.
Came out really good.
Really did. Awesome. Look at that. Look at that gradient. Oh yeah. That's
Really
nice.
good.
That is really nice. Pink. Oh yeah. Nice. And here's the final result. Check that out. Oh yeah, man, that came out really good. I think that looks awesome. Great alternative to just the regular pastel, the pastel with the black. For sale on Etsy. Go check it out, everybody. All right, y'all have a wonderful day.